Today this video will cover how to download and install a print driver for your Konica Minolta printer. First, let's download the driver. Open up a web browser and navigate to kmbs.konica-minolta.us. We'll go to Support and Downloads. Scroll down. Under the technical support, we'll choose Drivers. Under Search Type, choose Product Category. The category that we're looking for is Color Multifunction Printers. And then we'll choose our model number. Today I'm going to install the driver for C554E. And then I click the Drivers button. I'll scroll through the list and find my operating system. My computer is running Windows 10 64-bit. I have a couple different driver options. I'll be installing the PCL driver today. And I click on the blue link and I'll be saving that file. While the driver is downloading, I'll reduce my browser. On my desktop, right-click, New Folder. I'm going to name this folder Print Driver. And this is where I will direct the file once the download's complete. I'm currently downloading using Firefox, so my download arrives near the upper right hand corner indicated by this blue arrow. My download is complete. I'll click on the file to open it. I'll need to extract that file. I'm going to browse to the folder we created on the desktop just a moment ago. Select that folder and extract. Now our file has extracted. We can click on it. Click on Setup 64. This will kick off the setup wizard. Now here's our installation wizard. We'll review and agree to the terms here. There'll be two options in this situation. The option to choose the 554 series, which these models shown are included within that series. If you click the drop down, you'll also see the C364 series, which includes several models. So just choose whichever model you have, whatever your machine is. I'm installing for a C554E. I'm going to say yes. Now your computer is going to search and find the printer, so we'll give it a moment to do that. There it is. I'm going to check the box and say next. Here's my 3 driver options. I'll be installing the PCL driver. There it is. So we have a couple of choices to make here. Under default printer, you can either choose to make the printer that you're installing your default printer, or if you want to leave it as is, just say do not change. In this case, I'd like to make that C554 my defaults. Here's the printer. I do want to rename it. I just want to shorten it a little bit. Under the Property tab, I like to go to Advanced, Printing Defaults, and this is where I can customize the defaults of my printer for my liking. Under the Other tab, I uncheck these boxes here. Under the Quality tab, I leave mine set to auto color. But if you wanted to default to grayscale, you would change it here. Again, I'm going to leave mine for auto color. And under layout, print type, I like my print jobs to print out one-sided unless I say so specifically. So these are the defaults that I want to set up, and I say apply. And then OK. And I'll print a test page. I like to print a test page from here just to verify that my connection has been established and that my computer and printer are communicating well. Once that test page prints out, I'll hit finish, and I have successfully installed my Konica Minolta printer.